This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. We have a product here. It's called mobile phone holder for your car. See how it is? You can put on the dashboard of your car as this. Also you can put on the glass. So here are different pattern. We can see mobile phone holder, some barcode. How you can put here also in glass, depend as you like. So a couple of video on this type of product in the past I have done with different brand. Let's check this one, sticker function. So here is a sticker. It's very strong, so it will hold your phone for a long time. So let me unpack this one. This is a budget one. Price could be $5 to $10 or euro, wherever you are. In different platform, different price. Amazon will have one price, AliExpress you will have another price. So let me take this off, this from here. You see, this will go to the stand, a holder. Here some sticker you have. This is one button. When you touch, for example, this will be as this. So when you touch your phone here, for example, we have iPhone 16 Pro Max. I put here, over there. So when you touch, it will lock automatically and it's a strong grip. You can see how it is. It doesn't drop the phone, and at the bottom also hold your phone. So it's very good, this clip, this holder. So for taking out, you have here these two, tap or press, it will come out. Lovely, the size. Wow. Then we have main holder, this one. See, this one moves different direction. With this you can tight what you like. So your car on the dashboard over, you can put there. Also on the glass, this part will go here. You have to lose this one and you have to put this one as this, and should go inside. You see how it is. I'm pressing tight this product, tight, it should not move. So lovely, you can move different direction. If you tight more, it will not move at all. Lovely button, you see how it is. Lovely, any size of phone you can add. Samsung Galaxy S25, 26 Ultra, iPhone 17 Pro Max, whatever version you like. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.